Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Our market is very fragile. Yesterday night, there was some clash between US forces and Iran. Because of that, the Asian markets were slightly negative, but we opened gap down. Some interesting things that has happened today. Number one, since morning, the Bank Nifty was underperforming, mainly because people were expecting State Bank of India results. The State Bank of India results came exactly at 2 p.m. I think the results not really very good. The stock has fallen 6-7%. I think at some point of time it was down 7.5% also. And also, the State Bank of India future price is trading significantly lower than the spot price. I think 15-20 rupees discount. And although 17 rupees is the 17 rupees or 17 rupees 25 paise, something like that, is the dividend declared. So May 16 is the record date. So therefore, this discount has happened. And that time exactly the Nifty also, Nifty future hit the lowest point when the State Bank of India fell. And HDFC Bank also hit that day's low. And at the lowest point, the Bank Nifty was down nearly 1,000 points. So that is something interesting that has happened today. The second thing, in every trading session in the May series, Nifty made a reversal of more than 200 points every day, which means that in the morning if it is higher, then it fell more than 200 points, or in the morning if the market is lower, then Nifty shot up minimum 200 points. But that has not happened today. Of course, one time it recovered about 100 points, and second time after hitting the day's low because of the SBI results, and it has recovered about 130 points. So the 200 point recovery did not come. So therefore we can say today's trade is more stable compared to the other days in May series. But however, India VIX is higher today. That's probably because the market is down. And this is another interesting factor. And markets, like, as I told you earlier, 24,000 looks to be a good support. And looking at the open interest, people are taking 24,200 short straddle. The combined premium is about 300 points. So that shows that the Nifty range for the next 2 days will be 23,900 to 24,500. And another thing, yesterday, exactly at 12:30, within 10 minutes, Nifty shot up 150 points. And people were expecting that kind of thing to happen today also. So that's why the premiums did not come down. But towards the end of the day, the premiums have come down. So our market is fragile. If global markets fall, we fall. But if global markets rise, we rise. But the problem is that if the global markets fall by 0.5%, we fall 1%. If the global markets rise 1%, we rise 0.5%. So in this way only, after a long time, we are significantly underperforming the other markets. So that underperformance is likely to continue for some more time also. So one day rally, day before yesterday. So yesterday it was a consolidation, and today this fall. But this fall was not very big. It's about 150 points. That is mostly because of the SBI. And today, I didn't check exactly, but ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI alone would have contributed more than 100-point fall for Nifty. Yesterday, it was the large cap stocks that fell, but mid cap and small cap indices did extremely well. In fact, even the large cap also did not fall, and Nifty closed positive only, but the Nifty future closed negative. So today also, mid cap and small cap indices have done better, but large cap stocks are down. Today is a Friday, US market, and the first Friday of the month. US markets is expecting monthly jobs data. So that will be a very important data. The market is likely to make a significant move in US. So accordingly, Monday we may gap up or gap down. And also we have to watch for next 2 days. So what's going to happen in Iran? So there are conflicting reports, So who knows, over the weekend, so there may be some kind of a positive news. So if that happens, the story is different. As I said earlier, this Nifty technically became long, but it's not going anywhere since April 8, when Nifty closed at 24,025. And Nifty has been trading plus or minus 500, 600 points only. In fact, to be precise, 23,600 is the floor and 24,600 is the ceiling. So in this range only, the Nifty has been trading for the last 5 weeks. So sooner or later, market has to either break down or break out. But I feel that probability of breakout is higher than the probability of breakdown. So still the hope is there for 24,800 to 25,000 by the end of this month. So rest of the things, today is Friday, there's nothing much to discuss. So remaining things we will discuss on Sunday, Dalal Street Week Ahead program. So thank you for listening.